Everyone, today we are going to learn angle between the two lines. So here we will discuss angle between two lines with their slope. So let L1 and L2 are two lines with their slope M1 and M2. Okay, and alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the inclination of these two lines L1 and L2. So let alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the inclination of the two lines L1 and L2 respectively. Okay, we know that if these two lines will intersect each other, then there we will get the two pair of opposite angles. This is one pair, this will be one pair, and this is another pair. So if this is theta, acute angle, if you will take theta, so obviously one angle we will get obtuse angle, that we will consider by phi. So if we'll add this sum, these both are adjacent angles, so they will be linear pair because they will make the 180 degree. If we will add theta plus phi, so it will be what? 180 degree. This will be equation 1, which we will use later. Okay, now we know that this is the triangle, and alpha 2 is the exterior angle of for this triangle. Okay, so alpha 2 will be equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. This is the theorem, exterior angle theorem. What? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle, which means alpha 2 equal to theta plus alpha 1. If you want to find the theta value, so alpha 1 we will shift this side. So theta equal to what we will get? Alpha 2 minus alpha 1. And suppose we will take the tan both sides, so tan theta equal to tan alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Okay, now we know that tan A plus B or tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. This is the formula which we learn in the trigonometry. So here also we can apply that. This is A, this is B, so tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 upon 1 plus tan alpha 2 into tan alpha 1. So we know that the slope of tan alpha 2 means slope of a L2 line. Alpha 1 means slope of a first line L1. Okay, so slope of a first line L1, tan alpha 1 will be M1, because already we mentioned here L1 and L2 are the two lines with their slope M1 and M2. Means the slope of L1 will be M1 and slope of L2 will be tan alpha 2 will be M2. Okay, so we will get here tan theta equal to M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M2 into M1, which means we can write tan theta equal to M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 into M2, where 1 plus M1 into M2 is not equal to 0. Why? Because if this value will get 0, means tan theta will be not defined. That's why this condition. Now we know that theta plus phi equal to 180. So theta, since theta plus phi equal to 180, okay, so phi will be what? Phi will be, or theta will be what? 180 minus phi. So if you will take tan both sides, so tan theta equal to tan 180 minus phi, which means minus tan phi, which means tan theta you got minus tan phi. Okay, now there will be the two cases. here we will get tan theta equal to, which means tan phi will be minus tan theta. Tan phi will be minus tan theta, which means you can write minus tan theta value you got m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. This we will get tan phi, we will get negative. Okay. Now there we can, from these two equations, second and third, from these two equation we can make the two cases. Case 1, if this value means m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2, if m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2 is negative or is positive, if suppose this value is positive, then if this value you got positive means tan theta we got. If this value is positive, which means that means tan theta is positive, and if tan theta is positive means theta is acute angle. That implies that theta is acute angle. Second case, case 2 you can write, if this value m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2, this value is negative, then tan theta will be negative. And if tan theta is negative, so theta will be obtuse angle. Simple. So general formula we can write tan theta equal to, from both the common equation we can write modulus of m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. This will be the general formula for finding the angle between two lines.